Good morning, parents and families. I wanted to make a quick video to show you not only how to join the Google Classroom, but also where your child will be expected to participate on Monday morning at 8:30. So if you use Google Chrome as your browser, then you'll see a screen like this. And if you do not, then you would just type in google.com and you will see these 9 dots at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click that and go to account. Now if you're already signed in, you don't need to worry about this step. But if you're not signed in, you click go to Google account. Each child already has an account created for them. Anyone new to the district might need to plug in their new credentials that were passed out with the note card on in the material bag, but click on your child's account. It will bring you to this screen. Some of you may need to go to an additional HPSK screen. Just re-enter with your child's new password. Make sure you're plugging in the new password. It has changed from last year and it should be in your material bag. Once you're in order to get to our classroom, again, these 9 dots up on the right, go to Classroom, and if you have not yet accepted my invite, it will show up right here under my name. You just click accept and you'll be prompted to our class page. This is the stream where I post important information for the students and families both. Classwork, any assignments, schedules, important information, team building stuff, all can be found under classwork. But for Monday morning at 8:30, they'll need to join me for a live lesson, which will be this Meet link here. If you click on that link, it will bring you to our live session. So that link is live. So I'm going to take that link down just because we don't want students unsupervised in a Google Meet. But about 5 to 10 minutes before we go live at 8:30 on Monday, I will put this link back up and it will be up and ready to go. So on Monday morning at 8:30, just have your child log in to our Google Classroom and join our Google Meet right here at this link. I am looking forward to seeing everyone on Monday morning. Please, please, please reach out if you have any questions or are unable to log in. Thank you.